Welcome to Tree Sprites Crafting Fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make these fun little eggs. They're stuffed with a little bit of fiber right here from our farm, from our very own Kiki and Karina, and from a few neighborhood sheep as well. And these eggs can be used to play games of hide and seek. You can go on egg hunts every day of the year. Or you could hang them on a tree for a decoration. Just get a nice little branch and they could be a nice decoration. Anything you'd like, a little pillow for a little friend, whatever you would like. So in your kits you should receive almost everything you need. You will need a needle with a big eye for your embroidery thread, as well as a pair of scissors. Everything else should be included. So you'll take, choose what color egg you would like to begin with, and then choose your embroidery thread. So I'm going to use this light blue egg with this yellow embroidery thread. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to unroll your embroidery thread and cut it in half because this piece is too long to work with. So I just approximately, it doesn't have to be exact, cut it in half, make two pieces, and then thread your big-eyed needle. And sometimes that's a little bit tricky, but a trick that I like to use to help is I use my needle and fold it right over, fold the embroidery thread right over the top of that needle. And then I get that little tip, and that helps me to form a nice even way to thread, nice solid end to thread through the needle. And then I pull my embroidery thread, just that one piece, put the other piece to the side, pull it so it's doubled. And then your, excuse me, the ends, you're gonna tie into a little knot. And I would tie them twice just to make sure that it doesn't slip through. So give it two little ties, and you'll probably need some help with this from a parent. And then you're ready to begin. Now you can decide if you would like to place a little flower with leaves on your egg or if you'd like to decorate it another way. If you do want to use the leaves, you'll want to place the leaves on first. And I always go from the inside up. That way our little knot will be hidden inside the egg and nobody will even know it's there. My leaf got stuck up here, so I'm going to pull that down. So I'm stitching on one leaf at a time. I'll give it two little stitches. So there's my one leaf and my second leaf I'll stitch on. And you might want to place the flower on there and see where do you want your leaves to be poking out. That looks about right. And then I'll sew my other leaf. Needle goes up, the thread follows the needle. All right, and then the flower. So I'll put that flower right in the middle of those two leaves. And again, up from the bottom, be careful not to poke your fingers. And pull that thread all the way tight. And then back down. And pull it all the way tight. So there I have my little flower on my egg. And now I'm going to match up the second egg piece so all the seams are aligned. And I am going to do what's called a blanket stitch. So for a blanket stitch, you can see my thread is coming out the middle of my two pieces of egg, and that's just fine. And the blanket stitch, you poke your needle down through both pieces of the egg, and you pull that thread till you see a little loop. And when you get to that loop, you want to stick your needle and pop it right through that loop. The little rabbit jumps through the hole and then pull it tight. So your next stitch will be right next door. You can see right next door with a little opening, and pull that thread till you see a little loop and hop the needle right through the loop and then pull it tight. And the next stitch right next door, you want to leave a little bit of space between your stitches. They don't have to be super close to each other. A little bit of space. Pull the needle through till you get the loop, and then stick the needle through the loop and pull it tight. So you will do this blanket stitch all the way around your egg until you have an opening about this big, about an inch or so, something that you can fit your fingers through. And once you have that opening, you're going to take your wool from Kiki and Karina. Now remember, with this we want to fluff it up. So you'll want to take it and give it a nice little tug and loosen up those fibers, make it nice and fluffy. And then you'll be able to stick those, thank you, my little doggy friends upstairs. Stick it right inside. And you can determine how fluffy you want your little egg. Do you want it a big fluffy egg or a little soft pillow? And as much as the fiber that you want. And then you'll complete the stitches all the way around and cut your tail. So that is how you make an egg filled with fiber for a nice, cozy little decoration. Thank you. Goodbye.